Cause I be wanting to wind up by you, yeah. And I be wanting to wind up by you, yeah.
Hails from Tavern, Monifa going the talent show route, but now very much in the mix.
I'd say I have singles out now, I have original music. So before I was doing cover songs, but now I can write my own music, I can perform my own music, so that's where the growth is. Even though you have naysayers, you have years, but you have to get up, you have to work hard. If you sit down, trust me, nothing is going to happen. It's all about you working for your opportunities.
How do you make the connections you need to make? Because if you don't know the right producers, if you don't have the right links, it's tough.
I know, but I'd say use your social media. Social media is very powerful. When I just started, even after Rising Stars, yes, I became silent for a minute. I had to graduate from art in high school. I had to pursue my education as well. So after that, I just started Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and that's where all the producers, they slid into the DMs, your messages, they say, hey, I love to work with you. No matter how small it is, it's something.
What are some of the hurdles you faced?
I face people not taking me serious because I'm young. I've faced people not taking me serious because I'm also a female in the business. I know I'm gonna bring it up. Females really have to work extremely hard in this business. I don't like excuses. I wouldn't want to give myself excuses. So yes, there are hurdles in this business. I do face a lot, but I just think anything can be fixed if you really want it and if you work hard for it.
Bad girl, nice man. Yeah, we can turn team on a night time.
What's your niche? What's your sound? What's the brand, the image you're trying to create?
My girls, I sing music for girls who are independent, smart, and sexy.
What's the plan of getting Monifa out there and really splashing your image all over the place, making people aware of who you are?
So right now, I'm gonna use Magnum. So I'm in Magnum Star Performer. And that's why I would say, like, I wanted Jamaicans to see the growth of Monifa. Because they saw me as a little girl, I was 16, I was so innocent, on Rising Stars. So I'd say, like, my growth is basically what I'm showing you right now. R.I.P. Monifa.
Survive, I will survive, although I feel dead inside.
For Monifa, who's now 23, her mother was her chief source of motivation.
My mommy was my biggest support system, so may her soul rest in peace.
Because she did pass away recently and that had got to be tough.
Really tough.
How tough was it?
Extremely tough. Cause, I'm sorry. My mommy was my everything. And I do everything for my mommy. She's the reason why I sing. So everything I do it to make her proud. Especially now because she's not here. So that's why I entered Magnum as well. Because I really want to do the tribute for her on Sumfest. I want to be able to perform on Sumfest and showcase all of the training that she did in this very house that we are at. That's why I want y'all to vote for me, for real.
It pays for me born as a fighter. Without words, I'm thankful to my God.
She showed me how to sing, how to speak, how to be a woman, how to write, how to perform, how to engage a crowd, how to promote myself as well, and how I should be determined and go after anything when me want. So that's why, I do it for her every single day.
Her image now all grown up.
I'm gonna still show some cheeks, I'm gonna still be sexy and own and feel good in my own skin, but I won't disgust anyone, I'd say. I don't really worry about the raunchiness of other people's music, or I'm just doing me, and I know doing that, I will pull my own crowd.
Hear my humble cry.
Of course I get discouraged sometimes, but at the same time, I know what I want. So every time I get discouraged, I look back at myself and say, yo, Monifa, you see if you sit on yourself, and you ball down the place, and you pick out the side of my ear, and get ugly, and get looking ratchet, nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna sit down there until you deteriorate. Nothing's gonna happen. Nobody's sorry for anybody. People like when people can get up and try. Even if you sit down and don't do nothing, people will look away. But you see if you try, trust me, somebody's gonna turn their head and look at you. So I would say like chase your dreams, not even chase your dreams because they are yours. You don't have to run down anything that's not for you. Believe in your dreams and work too. You can't just pray and sit down and say, God, you know, someone be like Rihanna and Beyonce and you sit down every day and you don't even write a song, you don't even try to fix up yourself or even go out and, you know, brand yourself, sell your brand. You have to do all of that because they did that too. Women, we can do it. We can definitely do it. I believe so.
Clean from my head, and my heart, and my shoes. Regular, I'm a broke man, heart, you for know.
As for romance,
I'm 23. I'm 23, but yeah, of course I get distracted sometimes, but at the same time, when them gone, me have myself alone. So me have to remember, say, I have to do things for myself in order that when anything happens, I can depend on myself. That's why I say I sing songs for independent women, women with a purpose. Never forget your purpose. Never make a man come in your life and you forget your purpose. Because when the man gone, you're gonna drift away. Drift.
and she's not alive anymore, but you want to make your mommy proud.
Definitely. I want to make my mommy so proud. So proud.